Well, sure, but I'm waiting for my aircraft to die. I mean, my engine to die, and it's taking forever. I am slowly creeping back up to 14,000 feet again. No, not feet, altitude. About 200 more. $100 more. $14,000 and going up. Oh, this thing's gonna turn me around. I think we need a bigger map. Yeah. I'm at 14,000 altitude and still going. I'm flying 128 miles per hour. I'm almost at... Say again? I'm flying level straight, slightly climbing. Yeah, I can't use my rudder. My rudder is just it's dead, I guess. That's where I could put it. I'm 92 miles per hour right now. I just came to a dead stop. Nope, I think I found the game's limit. 14,645. I'm not allowed to climb any higher than that.